So here we have a new hygiene bag. Now, I was gonna show you my previous hygiene bag that I had before, which was smaller than this one, but I have already threw it away because the other one, the zippers had broke to point. What I mean when the zippers had broke, like they had came off the little zip thing, they had came off of the liner, and there was no way to fix it, so I just threw it away. Nobody could fix it. So I went to TJ Maxx to pick up a new one. Now the brand to this one is called Tender Lover Carry. Tender Lover Carry. And I think I actually like this one a little bit better than the other one because, for one, it's bigger. It's bigger than the other one. And then for two, I like how it has a clear pocket and a non-clear pocket. So it's bigger and it has two compartments. So like the clear one is at the top and the non-clear one's at the bottom. So like if you open it up, you have a big pocket. And then the other compartment is big as well. This one is big as well. So it has two departments, which I really love because that means more room, especially for those who like taking makeup, especially on top of your toothbrush, toothpaste, perfume, hair oil, by the time you put all your hair stuff in here, your toothpaste, your toothbrush, your scarf, your bonnet, by the time you put all of that in there, your makeup, all of this will fit in here because it has two departments. So I got this from TJ Maxx, and I needed one. Like, I wasn't gonna get one, but I was like, okay, I do need another one because my other one, the zippers had broke, and then like I was still using it when the zippers were broke, but I had to lay it on top of stuff so that way my stuff didn't fall out. And I was like, let me just get a new one so I don't have to worry about it. But I don't know if you like big hygiene bags like this one, or if you like smaller ones, not small, but the ones with only one compartment, whichever one you prefer. I prefer the two. So you just open it and you put all your stuff at the top, whenever you want to go up here, and then you open it again, and you can put everything else that you need to take, like extra makeup or everything else you need to take, down here. Now, I'm not into makeup, so I would not be packing any type of makeup. I wear it, but like on a special occasion, like if I have to, but it's not something that I'm into. Like the farthest you're probably gonna see me wear is lip gloss or chapstick. That's it. Because like you could use this to put your makeup in, but I'm not a makeup type of person, so I would just be using these for hygiene essentials such as toothbrush, toothpaste, deodorant, lotion, perfume, body oil, hair scarf, hair bonnet, just the essentials that you need. Maybe if you're going to take some body scrub with you, just the essentials. But if you but this is a really good bag. If you are looking for one, I recommend you looking up the brand Tender Love Carry, because evidently they have bigger bags. Because when I was looking at them, some of them were really small, and I was looking at the brand, and I can't really remember the brand of the other ones, but the brands were too small, so I picked up this one. But overall, this is a really good bag. I literally just got it yesterday, so there's I haven't even used it yet, because like I said, I haven't even went nowhere to use it because I just got it yesterday. So They did have man bags. You know how I think they had man bags. You know how like men like to carry man bags because they may not have as much as we do. So they did have man bags, but if you are a hygiene fanatic like me and care about hygiene and smelling good and lotion and stuff, and you need a bigger bag to take your hygiene products with you, like if you have to travel or go stay somewhere, I recommend getting this bag, a bag with 2 compartments, the top and the bottom. So that way you'll have a little more room to take stuff, and you don't have to feel like everything is just smushed in one room, because that's how I felt with my other one. The other one I had, it was big, but it wasn't big as this one, and it only had 1 compartment. And that one I liked, but I hated it because I felt like by the time I put my hair scarf and brush in there, I felt like I was just smushing everything in there. Because like I'll put my toothbrush, deodorant, lotion in there first, and then my brush and all my hair accessories, and I felt like I was just stuffing everything in there. And so it was looking all big and bulky because it was smaller. But I don't have to worry about that with this one, because this one is bigger with the clear pocket and then the darker pocket. Like I said, it is bigger. So here it is one more time. You got that part, and then you have this other part, and it smells brand new. You know that smell that you would smell when you buy something like that, like when you buy a new bag or something. You know that good old new bag scent smell? Yeah, it smells good. That's why I keep sniffing it. But you know what I mean, like when you get like a new bag or a new purse, and you know, like that new new suitcase, and that new smell that you get that comes with it, that's the type of scent that I like. But it is easy to carry, you know. I don't know if y'all can see it, but if I hold it down like here, y'all probably won't be able to see it, but you know, you can hold it down here by your waist. You know, it's easy to carry, lightweight. I'm able to, now probably by the time you add your stuff in here, it might feel like a little heavy, depending on what you put in here, but it is lightweight. You know, no big deal, not heavy at all. It's very compatible with everything. Now, if you have certain stuff you like to take, such as your, like I recommend like your toothbrush, maybe body scrubs, I would put those in a Ziploc baggie and then put those in here, especially with the toothbrush. So that way the toothbrush, you know, because the toothbrush holds more germs. So I recommend putting your toothbrush in a Ziploc bag, or tying the top part, where the part we put in our mouth, tying that part with a aluminum foil or something, so that way it will stay protected and it won't get too dried out, or it won't get like lotion or anything on it that you also might have in the bag. Because that's what I do. Like anytime I travel, I put my toothbrush in a Ziploc bag, and then I put, and then I put it in my other bag. Like, so here's my scarf, right? So I'm gonna show you. So here's my scarf, my bonnet, all of that I sleep with at night. So I'm gonna try to show you like how big it is. So we're gonna add my scarf, my bonnet, and my little, I don't know what this is called, but this is just what I put around my head to help my edges lay down. So I'm gonna show you. So let's say I'm going somewhere. Well, I'm not going anywhere, but I'm just showing you how like roomy it is. So here's what it looks like if I put it in the clear pocket, which I probably would put it in the other pocket because this pocket's not as deep. But here's what it looks like if I had put all that in the clear pocket and then I zipped it up. which I did. I'll probably put this down here, but this is what it looks like. My bonnet, my scarf, and then I have like another little scarf to help hold my edges. And then here's what it looks like in the other part. So let me zip this up. So if I put it at the bottom, okay, here's what it look. I'm not gonna zip it. Here's what it would look like if I had put it at the bottom. And then if I just close it, and then if I just, yeah. It's gonna be hard to close right now because it's not really nothing in here. But if I close it, and voila, it's in there. So that's to show you how roomy it is, because you can either put it at the top or the bottom. So that's just to show you like how roomy it is. Because my scarf will even fit in there. But yeah, but this is a good old Hygiene bag, 2 compartments. You got your clear top part and then your black bottom part. The brand is by Tender Love Carry. I had got it from TJ Maxx. Like I said, I do recommend y'all getting this one because it is bigger. Like, not exactly this one, but a hygiene bag with 2 parts, because it is bigger. But if you only find a hygiene bag with 1 compartment, make sure it's big enough. Like, open it and see if it's big enough. Like, put your hand in there and be like, okay, this is, like, if it'll fit your hand, make sure, okay, I think this will be big enough. So make sure it's big enough if you do get a hygiene bag that doesn't have 2 compartments. But I do recommend getting one with 2 compartments. If you want to search the brand Tender Love Carry, you can, just to see what other bags that they might have under that brand. But that is the Tender Love Carry brand hygiene bag from TJ Maxx. If you have enjoyed this video, please make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe and leave your comments down below.